Hello, everyone, and welcome back to a flavorful episode of Orange English. This is Sophia, your host, guiding you through today's shadowing practice. We're focusing on talking about your favorite food in English, a delightful topic for describing beloved dishes, tastes, ingredients, and the reasons behind your preferences. Discussing favorite foods sparks engaging conversations and cultural exchanges. This session is savory and versatile. Practice during meals, while cooking, on a break, or in a cozy setting. Shadowing is engaging and effective. Listen to my voice and repeat each phrase at the same time. Match my pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation where possible. Exactness is less important than enthusiastic delivery and enjoyment. Let us begin. My favorite food is pasta. My favorite food is pasta. Italian dishes never disappoint. Italian dishes never disappoint. Spaghetti with tomato sauce. Spaghetti with tomato sauce. Simple yet satisfying. Simple yet satisfying. I love spicy food. I love spicy food. Thai curry excites my taste buds. Thai curry excites my taste buds. Heat balanced with coconut milk. Heat balanced with coconut milk. Aromas fill the kitchen. Aromas fill the kitchen. Pizza tops my list always. Pizza tops my list always. Cheese melting perfectly. Cheese melting perfectly. Toppings vary endlessly. Toppings vary endlessly. Sharing slices with friends. Sharing slices with friends. Sushi is fresh and light. Sushi is fresh and light. Raw fish on rice. Raw fish on rice. Soy sauce and wasabi. Soy sauce and wasabi. Elegant presentation matters. Elegant presentation matters. Chocolate dessert pleases me most. Chocolate dessert pleases me most. Dark variety preferred. Dark variety preferred. Rich and indulgent flavor. Rich and indulgent flavor. Comfort on tough days. Comfort on tough days. Home-cooked meals feel special. Home-cooked meals feel special. Mom's recipe unbeatable. Mom's recipe unbeatable. Ingredients chosen carefully. Ingredients chosen carefully. Love added generously. Love added generously. Street food adventures thrill. Street food adventures thrill. Tacos from vendors. Tacos from vendors. Fresh lime squeezed. Fresh lime squeezed. Authentic tastes discovered. Authentic tastes discovered. Vegetarian options appeal now. Vegetarian options appeal now. Salads with vibrant colors. Salads with vibrant colors. Grilled vegetables seasoned. Grilled vegetables seasoned. Healthy and delicious. Healthy and delicious. Seafood by the coast. Seafood by the coast. Grilled fish simply. Grilled fish simply. Lemon enhances naturally. Lemon enhances naturally. Ocean views complement. Ocean views complement. Sweet fruits in summer. Sweet fruits in summer. Mangoes juicy and ripe. Mangoes juicy and ripe. Watermelon refreshes instantly. Watermelon refreshes instantly. Nature's perfect dessert. Nature's perfect dessert. Comfort food during winter. Comfort food during winter. Soup warms from inside. Soup warms from inside. Bread dipped generously. Bread dipped generously. Cozy evenings created. Cozy evenings created. Trying new cuisines excites. Trying new cuisines excites. Indian spices complex. Indian spices complex. Japanese precision impressive. Japanese precision impressive. Palate expands joyfully. Palate expands joyfully. Textures play important role. Textures play important role. Crunchy with soft. Crunchy with soft. Creamy sauces coat. Creamy sauces coat. Balance achieves harmony. Balance achieves harmony. Allergies guide choices carefully. Allergies guide choices carefully. Nuts avoided strictly. Nuts avoided strictly. Alternatives found creatively. Alternatives found creatively. Safety ensures enjoyment. Safety ensures enjoyment. Sharing food builds bonds. Sharing food builds bonds. Potlucks bring variety. Potlucks bring variety. Recipes exchanged eagerly. Recipes exchanged eagerly. Connections strengthened deliciously. Connections strengthened deliciously. Describing food uses sensory words. Describing food uses sensory words. Sweet, salty, sour, bitter, umami. Sweet, salty, sour, bitter, umami. Aromatic, crispy, tender. Aromatic, crispy, tender. Details paint vivid pictures. Details paint vivid pictures. Reasons explain preferences personally. Reasons explain preferences personally. Childhood associations strong. Childhood associations strong. Cultural ties deep. Cultural ties deep. Health benefits considered. Health benefits considered. Shadowing adds flavorful intonation. Shadowing adds flavorful intonation. Repetition savors expressions. Repetition savors expressions. Enthusiasm conveys passion. Enthusiasm conveys passion. Your articulation is appetizing. Your articulation is appetizing. Splendid participation today, everyone. This shadowing session on talking about your favorite food is now complete. You can now describe beloved dishes more vividly in English. Incorporate these phrases into food discussions. Return soon for more topics on Orange English. This is Sophia. Thank you for joining. Savor your favorites, share passionately, and keep learning. Until next time.